Do you have an Excel workbook with a distance matrix that you want to optimize? In this video, we'll show you how to use TspSolver, a program from Microsoft Store that can solve the traveling salesman problem, TSP, using a genetic algorithm. The TSP is a classic optimization problem that asks, given a list of cities and the distances between them, what is the shortest possible route that visits each city exactly once and returns to the origin city? In our case, we have an asymmetric distance matrix of size 50 x 50, meaning that the distance from city A to city B is not the same as the distance from city B to city A. We want to find the best route that minimizes the total distance traveled. To do this, we'll use TspSolver, a program that uses a genetic algorithm to find near-optimal solutions for the TSP. A genetic algorithm is a type of evolutionary algorithm that mimics the process of natural selection. It starts with a population of random solutions and iteratively improves them by applying operations such as crossover, mutation, and selection. To use TspSolver, we just need to load our workbook into the program. Then, we can adjust one parameter, the number of generations without improvement. This parameter controls how long the algorithm will run before it stops. The higher the value, the more time it will spend searching for better solutions. We'll set it to a large value and click the Start button. The program will work for less than a minute and display the best solution it found. We can save the results in another workbook. It will contain two sheets, one sheet with one column that shows the order of cities in the shortest round trip, and another sheet with more detailed information, such as the distances between each pair of cities, the length of each leg of the route, and the total length of the route. As you can see, TspSolver is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that can help you solve the TSP problem from Excel data. You can download it from Microsoft Store and try it yourself. Thanks for watching.